Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing another Yu-Gi-Oh! And it is on Yu-Gi-Oh! Maze of Mortis. And I think I know that some of the masked hero stuff is in here. Oh, let's see what the... Oh, we just got that. Let's see what the field center is. And... Oh, it's that one. It's the... Is that the Black of Chaos or something? I forgot. Don't really know that because I haven't opened this. Actually, my first time opening this, like this sort of like set it is anyway. Oh yeah, oh yeah, and the Voltic Elemental Hero Thunder Giant Voltic Thunder is in here as well. I forgot about that. So let's see what I get. So starting off with Uriah, Lord of Searing Flames, Alpha, the Electromagnetic. And I've got Beta, Prima the Light, and the Heart of Gaia. I think this one was actually a wasn't this one like an OTS? It was in the OTS pack, I think it was. I remember that. I do, so I pulled that card anyway. But he's got this card, so. Rescue Ace, Dark Magic Talisman, Vampire Sucker, Magical Planter, oh, the Pump King, the Great Ghost King. Got my first ultra there. I was looking for like the masked hero stuff and the elemental hero like Thunder Giant Voltic Thunder one. Borreload Furious Dragon, Dragonic Warrior. Yeah, I think I said that right. Call of the Haunted. There. So I've got one ultra out of that anyway. And Gaia. Heart of Gaia. Dark Lord Encounter, Dark Lord something, Dark Lord Rebellion. Dark Lord. And Chronograph. Is it Chronograph Sorceress or something? I don't really know. Don't worry, guys. I am a Yu-Gi-Oh fan and that, yeah, but some of these cards sometimes I just can't pronounce, like Delta the Magnet Warrior, Elmroyd. Oh, Lightning Strike. That's a good card. Is that good, guys? Is that a good card? Well, obviously it is anyway, because like so I'll probably keep that there. Light Water Dragon. Oh, I've got Maiden in Love, one of Blair's cards. And last pack, come on. I want to see if I can end with a fusion or something in that, or a secret. Junk Mailer. Oh. And looks like it did end on an ultra. I'll just have to get more of these, I think, anyway. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it. Let me just show you what I've got. So there's that one. So I both ended on like two like synchros. Got Maiden in Love, which is one of Blair's cards, Blair Flanagan from GX. Yeah. Yeah, guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you like this sort of thing, if you want me to get, let me know down in the comments, guys, if I should get more of these. I think I will actually, anyway, because I probably do actually want to get more than that, because it's got like like I say, it's got the Elemental Hero, Thunder Giant, Voltic Thunder, and it's got like the Dark Claw ones, and the Masked Hero ones as well. And I'm actually after like the Masked Hero stuff now. I am anyway, so I can actually like make a Masked Hero deck. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it. I'll see you all in the next one. Laters.